Congress MP Manikam Tagore has given an adjournment motion notice in Lok Sabha. The notice stated that the Modi government cleared Ajit Pawar's name and gave a clean sheet to him, and the ED also has given a clean sheet to Chandrababu Naidu. This house expresses concern over the clean sheet given to Ajit Pawar and Chandrababu Naidu and demands a detailed explanation from the government. So that's the latest that's coming in. We have seen earlier that Ajit Pawar was given a clean sheet by ED in the Benami case, where the assets that were seized, it said that they are not legitimate, and the clean sheet was given to Ajit Pawar, for which he had earlier reacted on that. And now we're also seeing a clean sheet that has been given to Chandrababu Naidu. So now Congress, in a major political war of word, has expressed concern over clean sheet that is given to both of them when it comes to the Deputy Maharashtra CM Ajit Pawar and Chandrababu Naidu, and he has given a adjournment motion notice in Lok Sabha over this clean sheet issue that has been raised by Congress, and demanded that an explanation must be given over a clean sheet that was given to Ajit Pawar and a clean sheet that was given to Chandrababu Naidu. And this comes after Congress MP Manikam Tagore has filed an adjournment motion notice, as we're seeing that he has earlier also given notices when it comes to the Adani issue and the Sambal issues, and Congress continues to hit out at the ruling party Bharatiya Janata Party and the centre over the fact that they are giving clean sheet to their allies. When it comes to their NCP ally Ajit Pawar, he has been given clean sheet by ED just after he took oath as a Deputy Maharashtra's Chief Minister.